Welcome to OST News. Here are the top 10 news for today. Number 1. Common phone number for Indian LPG refill. The Indian Oil Corporation has started one common number for Indian LPG refill bookings across the country. The common booking number is 77189 55555 will be available 24/7 for LPG refills. The system of telecom circle specific phone numbers for booking Indian LPG refills was discontinued after 31st October 2020 midnight. Number 2. Adani Group takes over Mangalore Airport on lease for 50 years. The Airports Authority of India has officially handed over the Mangalore International Airport to the Adani Group on lease for a period of 50 years in accordance to the concession agreement executed on February 14, 2020. With this development, Adani Group has now owned the rights over 6 major airports, namely Lucknow, Ahmedabad, Thiruvananthapuram, Jaipur, Guwahati and Mangalore. Number 3. NDA ensured free grains for poor till Chhat Puja, PM said at Bihar rally. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday, while addressing a poll rally in Bihar, said the NDA government has ensured free grains for the poor till Chhat Puja and the women should not worry about the celebrations. Whether the government of NDA is at the center or in Bihar, the efforts have been as big as challenges faced by the government, PM Modi stated. Number 4. Would not be surprised if Tejaswi becomes Bihar CM, said Shiv Sena MP Rawat. Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Rawat on Saturday said that he would not be surprised if Tejaswi Yadav goes on to become the Chief Minister of Bihar after the assembly elections. Rawat said a young man without any support, whose family members are in jail and CBI and IT department is behind him, is challenging everyone in the state like Bihar. Number 5. Schools, colleges, cinema halls to reopen in Tamil Nadu from November. Classes in schools for students from the 9th to 12th standard along with colleges, research and educational institutions in Tamil Nadu will start functioning from November 16, the state government announced. Cinema halls, multiplexes, zoos and amusement parks have also been allowed to open from November 10 at 50% capacity. However, the lockdown will remain in force in the containment zone. Number 6. Kerala beaches reopen for public from today. The beaches in Kerala were reopened for public on Sunday after months-long closure due to COVID-19 pandemic. As part of the unlock process, park and museum were also reopened in the state on Sunday. Earlier, the hill station, adventure resort and backwater tourism centers including houseboats were reopened in the state in the first phase of October. Number 7. Up to 200 guests allowed at marriage in closed space in Delhi. Delhi government has allowed marriage gathering of up to 200 persons, up from 50 guests in closed space and the number of participants depending on the size of the ground. In case of open space, in closed space a maximum of 50% of the hall capacity will be allowed with a ceiling of 200 persons, said the Delhi Disaster Management Authority. Number 8. Bihar's first phase of voting shows NDA will again form government, said PM Modi. During his rallies in Bihar's Chhapra and Samraipur today, PM Narendra Modi said after the first phase of voting, it is clear Nitish Kumar will again form government in the state. On one side, NDA is committed to democracy and on other side, a Parivar Tantra Gadbandhan, PM Modi further said, adding NDA government is for Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas. Number 9. Arogya Setu app mandatory for the liquor shop staff, said Delhi government. The Delhi government has asked workers of all wholesale liquor shops in the city to mandatorily use Arogya Setu app as a precautionary measures against COVID-19. Earlier this week, the excise department has asked the liquor vendor to install touch-free sanitizer dispenser at entry and exit points. They were also asked to display coronavirus awareness banner inside and outside the building. Number 10. Alimdar breaks record for standing in most number of one days as on-field umpire. Pakistan's 52-year-old umpire Alimdar has broken the record for the standing in most number of one days as on-field umpire, achieving the feat by standing in his 210th match between Pakistan and Zimbabwe today. Dar surpassed South Africa Rudy Kurjan's record of officiating in most one days. Dar also holds the record for umpiring in most test matches. Thanks for watching OST News. Please subscribe for daily updates.